Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Energizer flashlight. So this is for your car. It's always nice to have flashlights handy in case you need them. Let's check it out. I'll drop a link in the video description below on where you can get this from. And let me know if you guys have this, what you think of this in the comment section. Here we go. Ooh, nothing else? Nope. Wow. So this looks like the model number. Manufacturing date? Interesting that that's stamped on here. Ooh, let's go. Oh man. Oh, strobe. Let's go. Okay. I think it's kind of weird that, okay, I get that this has to be, these markings have to be on here. But yeah, I think these markings are interesting. It's from Energizer. Nice LEDs. And a charging port here. This is pretty cool. Quick charge it. Demo. Oh, very cool. Nice handheld. Let's check this out. Does come with charging cable. Very cool. And some instruction manual. Rolls around a little bit. Rear push button. This is the Energizer 1000 lumens rechargeable. I think it's pretty cool that's rechargeable. 3 modes. Durable aircraft grade aluminum. Nice. Yeah, cool. That's it. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. And take care, everyone. Later.